So hello friends, welcome back to the new video. Today we are discussing about a new application, and this application name is WEEX, and here you will see like many more options here, and easily you can download this application. I have to put this application link on my description below, so easily you can download this app and go to the website. And also I put the comment box also. And if you are new on my channel, so this is my YouTube channel, Crypto Insights. If you are first time visit my channel, so please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos. So let's start our video without waste any time. So when you tap the link, you will see like this type of interface, and now I will explain you the more details about this application. So first of all, you can easily sign up in this application, and here you will see easily fill your email, and here this is my code, and easily you can claim your rewards. And here is the buy quick and P2P and market also, so easily you can sign up first. And here is the many more options. I have to already sign up this account, so you can wait. And here you will see like this type Dora hacks, and here you can check WEEDLs and all views you will check. And here is the WEIDL collection view, especially curated WEILD. And here is the hacks and grants, and here is the creative funding, and here is the grant deck and atom economic zone and quadratic gens. And here is the live Binance live on YouTube also. And here is the Dora factory and Dora research. So here is the AI and Alpha Awakens. And first of all, here you will check. This is here you can check submit. Easily you can submit here, and easily you will see the latest and register and hacks. So here is the you will check. This is the price pool and event timeline. 6 days left to submit. Upcoming pre-register submit deadline. And here you will check the Dubai, United States of America, WEEX Studio. And here you will check the details, outline, and BUIDL. And here is the hackers and join a team. So here is the join a team. Easily find your teammates. And FAQ, AI trading event frequency, ask a question. FAQ, how to participate, and ask a question. Hackdown Q&A, have you question about the hackdown? Feel free to ask the organize. Here get the answer you need. Ask the question. If you have any query, you can ask. Good. Yes, here is the some answers also. And hackdown idea from the ideas. So this is the upvote creative inspiration that may turn your idea into a view ideal. And crypto arbitrage opportunity data, and upvote and all details, sentiment analyze, trading bot, and decentralized management toolkit also. So here is the detail. Now I will explain you AI War Alpha Awakens and activity introduction overview. Hackdown name AI War Alpha. So this is the name, duration, and format Hybrid. Offline workshop. And here is the positioning and price fall description, total value. And here is the reward, final rewards, AI trading strategies, and slide collection reward, and notable features, and timeline schedule. Pre-registration on December 30. Pre-season online early July, 20 days. Final July late. Support and partnership, WEEX Lab, exclusive trading data development APIs from the WEEX. Submit method and rules. pre-registered team format and requirement also, and the encouragement and the vision, and the technical support, contract information, other and local event workshop. The way best participant may attend offline section, detailed TBA, and how to start WEEX AI Hackathon. Find your UID, submit your file. Usually you can file here, and here is the some partners. You will check Dora Research Blog and Dora Blog, Dora Factory Resource. Here is the some contacts you can contact if you have any query. Usually you can find all vault. So here you will check the all, and now I will show you AI participant guide. Welcome to already another batch of Alpha Awakens. So here is the step 1, register, create your submit ID. So easily you can submit ID here, you will see, and easily you can create like this. And after the find your team, build your own. So first of all, here is the join team, and easily you can join. And the solo participating allowed, so sign up easily. You can sign up and get bonus and Alpha Awakens AI trading Hackathon. So here is the verification, and find your UID. So easily you can find your ID. Here is the your ID, and here is the submission mini tips, how to find your address and warning, and easily you will check. This is the reward also, I think, under review approved.